Are you looking for a way to generate passive and recurring income from the comfort of your living room? You want to make money online, but you don't know how, right? It's hard to find a good way to make money online. There are so many scams out there, and it's really difficult to find the right one for you. The four main methods of monetization are earning high CPA commissions on digital and physical products, earning recurring commissions from monthly recurring products, earning high percentage commissions on low-ticket digital products, earning high commissions from high-ticket offers. You could achieve this by implementing the Super Affiliate System Blueprint. The Super Affiliate System is the answer. This program will teach you everything about making money on the internet. 1. From finding products that sell well. 2. Marketing them effectively. 3. And scaling your online business up as much as possible. The Super Affiliate System has been proven to provide life-changing results with over 10,000 successful students. So if you dream to achieve the same success, stop everything you're doing and click the link below to watch a short yet powerful video that explains exactly how you too can change your life. This revolutionary training course reveals a compelling strategy designed to scale results faster. It's a proven system based on affiliate marketing in 2022. The online training program simplifies steps that even beginners will understand. You'll learn how to leverage Google and YouTube as an evergreen traffic source and earn high commissions on popular products without leaving home. The Super Affiliate System is worth every penny. They have an amazing community of people who are all achieving the same thing, making more money online. So if you want to dramatically change your lifestyle and earn a living online, then I urge you to stop what you're doing and click the link below to watch a short and free special video that will show you exactly how you can start making money online today. If it's already working for over 10,000 students, then it can work for you too.